So one of the key things of 2011 is understand what your content marketing strategy is. Everybody's got content. Not everybody knows what is interesting or actionable content in a strategy, but basically what you want to start with is what do you have, what photos, videos, text content, etc., presentations, PR, that kind of thing. What do you have, and get them all in a bucket, so to speak, and use that as a starting place to figure out where to go from there, what investments might need to be made, how you can capitalize on events and things that you're doing throughout the year to really create an ongoing editorial calendar, if you will, much like having a beat for a magazine or that kind of thing, so that when people visit your social presence, they get what they expect. There's a reason franchises work. When you go to McDonald's, you know what to expect. You get, you order a Big Mac, it tastes like a Big Mac, it looks like a Big Mac, it's what you wanted to have. Same thing with social. When people come to your presence, they want to experience a consistent type of experience, but they want it to be refreshed and renewed, etc. So a content marketing strategy is an absolutely critical component to your emerging and social marketing planning for 2011.